preparing for moonflowers and sunflowers. We're going to step our feet as wide as is comfortable on our mat. For me, my toes are on the diagonal, but check to see if when you bend the knees and sink the hips down, your knees need to be traveling in the same direction as your toes. So if your knees tend to come more forward, then you want your toes more forward, finding where you're best. Moving to moonflowers, we inhale up, grab an imaginary bar. Exhale, pulling that bar down behind our back. So again, it's inhale, stretch and reach. Exhale as we sink down. Listening to our knees, taking this only as deep as feels good for us. Flowing 3 or 4 times. Then moving to sunflowers, inhaling up, exhaling, sweeping down. Again, big inhale, exhale, keeping the chest lifted, keeping our headlights forward. And if we choose, then flowing between the two, moonflowers, then sunflowers. Whatever feels good. Coming back to our mountain. And again, just like before, if bending the knees or standing is not a good option, seated in the chair, we simply walk our legs out wide. Inhale up, grab that imaginary bar, pull it down. As we stretch up, press into your feet as if you're going to stand up. Exhale, releasing, pulling down. Inhale, stretching up. Exhale into sunflowers. Inhaling up. Sunflowers, there's more of a forward hinge when we're seated. Option to alternate. Finishing in that big 5-pointed star. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.